Democratic lawmakers joined to voice their frustration towards what they are calling Republican inaction amidst the state's ongoing health care crisis.
12 News' Richard Lake was there, and he joins us now live from the Capitol with more on what state Democrats had to say. Richard?
Well, no Medicaid expansion bill survived through committees this year, and only one postpartum extension bill lives in the Senate currently. Now, many Democrats are frustrated, and they're asking their Republican colleagues to look past politics and help Mississippians.
It's time for you to tell us, Republicans, what is your plan?
Only one postpartum extension bill survives in the Senate, and proposals to help rural hospitals also live solely in the Senate. Dr. Dan Jones, former dean of the UMMC School of Medicine, believes the grant programs for rural hospitals are insufficient.
A bill that would just simply throw some money at some hospitals right now, one-time money, is not going to make a significant difference. It's a bad plan. We need to expand Medicaid.
We know expanding Medicaid is the ultimate solution, but if we can't do that, we certainly will be gladly to make amendments on the House side and the Senate side with these grant programs.
With over 80% of Mississippians favoring an expansion of Medicaid, according to a Siena College poll, lawmakers and healthcare experts called on Republicans to put aside political gain. Dr. Dan Jones even shared a conversation he had with Governor Tate Reeves about the topic of expansion. According to Jones, the two had the conversation when Jones was serving as chancellor of the University of Mississippi and when Reeves was serving as lieutenant governor.
After a few moments of the conversation, he put his hands up and said, "Chancellor, I recognize that it would be good for Mississippians, that it would be good for our economy, good for health care if we expanded Medicaid." I had a big smile on my face, and I said, "Governor, I'm so glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear you're going to support Medicaid expansion." His response, "Oh, no, I'm not going to support it because it's not in my personal political interest."
Governor Reeves responded to Dr. Jones' claims, saying, quote, "This is obviously a lie, and that I would never have said this."
Well, amidst all that noise, something could actually get passed regarding health care in the state of Mississippi. A postpartum extension bill that is currently in the Senate. The Senate seems poised to pass that for a second straight year, and support on the House side does seem to be on the rise. For now, it's Richard Lake reporting live from the Capitol for 12 News.